we're asked to use logarithmic differentiation to determine dy dx. We were given y equals the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x to the power of x. The first step is to take the natural log of both sides of the equation, which gives us natural log y equals natural log of the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x to the power of x. And now on the right side we can apply the power property of logarithms, which indicates we can take the exponent of x here, move it to the front, and write the right side as a product. This gives us natural log y equals x times natural log of the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x. So the next step, we differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. Now going back to the left, to differentiate natural log y with respect to x, we do need to apply the chain rule. The derivative of natural log y with respect to x is equal to 1 divided by y times dy dx. Equals on the right side, we need to apply the product rule to differentiate x times natural log of the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x. Applying the product rule, we have the first function x times the derivative of the second function, which is the derivative of natural log of the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x, which requires the chain rule to differentiate. The derivative is 1 divided by the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x times the derivative of 4 minus 3 e to the x, which is negative 3 e to the x. Then we have plus the second function of natural log of the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x times the derivative of the first function, which is the derivative of x, which is just 1. Let's go ahead and clean up this right side. We have 1 divided by y times dy dx equals, let's write this first product as negative 3x e to the x divided by the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x. And we still have plus natural log of the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x. And now to solve for dy dx, we multiply both sides by y. On the left side, y divided by y simplifies the 1. We now have dy dx equals y times the sum inside the parentheses. But because we prefer to have dy dx in terms of only x, we will now replace y with the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x to the power of x. This gives us the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x raised to the power of x times the sum inside the parentheses, which is negative 3x e to the x divided by the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x, and then plus natural log of the quantity 4 minus 3 e to the x. And we'll go ahead and leave the derivative function dy dx in this form. I hope you found this helpful.